Peace. And light to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and as promised, I'm back with another video where I'll be discussing birthday number 7. Now, what makes this birthday number so significant is actually the unique energy it carries. The number 7 also shares the same energy as the 7th zodiac sign or house, which is Libra, which is all about judgment and balance in the world of tarot, if you know a thing about that. Now, I won't get too deep into the Libra zodiac sign because I do plan to come back at a later time and talk more about it in another video. And I simply don't want to overwhelm you with too much too soon. So, if 7 happens to be your birthday number, more than likely you're an individual who overanalyzes everything because you try to find a deeper meaning in all of your experiences. And you have a deep passion for reading to learn more. And a good conspiracy novel pretty much does it for you. And more than likely, you're a highly inquisitive and individual, and you are big on privacy. Also, you love getting an excess amount of beauty rest. Who doesn't love a good nap, huh? And you can be a bit meddlesome at times if you're not well rested. And your lesson for this lifetime is to learn to work with others in a mindfulness manner. And also, the number 16/7 karmic debt number will have a great deal of lessons to teach you in the love department. Okay. So, on that note, that's all I have for you guys today. I like to keep it short and sweet. And you can definitely count on me to return to share more information with you regarding the next birthday numbers. Okay. So, once again, it's yours truly, the Cosmiq Soul Plug. And remember, as above, so below, as within, so without, so mote it be. Ashe, my beautiful family. Peace.